Hello, I am Gamze Dağlıoğlu from Turkey. Today I would like to give you some information about the change request management process for automotive SPICE, so ASPICE. We will talk about how to apply these best practices to our projects. You know, during ASPICE, the requirements are taken from the customer and then reviewed and approved, after then put under the baseline. Every changes or the requests that will occur after this process is evaluated in the change management process. Let's see together how we will carry out this process for SPICE. First of all, you should create a strategy for change management. That is, make a plan. Let's take a look at the title in the plan. Revision history, document confirmation page. Introduction space and defining of the requests for changes, responsibilities, change request impact evaluation, impact value, urgency value, priority value, impact analysis, root cause analysis, verification and approval of change requests, workflow for the change request on Jira, acceptance, rejection of change requests. Requests for changes should be defined by unique specific fields. For example, you should define in plan documents and the Jira. Urgency, assign, end date, impact analysis, root cause, linked to issues, approved, priority, deadline. You should identify responsibilities. Who will record or review or approved. Also, you should identify the start and finish dates. Analysis to request for changes. If they record the request for changes, urgency and impact values should be indicated. These values are defined in planning. Law for request for changes in the schedule of the project that do not deviate for more than 5%. Medium, serious, low, medium, high. These are for the impact value, and these are for the urgency value. Then you should determine the priority according to the average of impact and urgency. The priority value is specified. Another important issue in change management is impact analysis. While performing the impact analysis, the configuration units affected by the change are recorded. For example, if the requirement document, design document or code changes as a result of the change, it's recorded as the result of the impact analysis. Also, maybe you can define the changes root cause for 5 why questions. Approve and reject to request for changes. The change will never become operational until it's approved. For this reason, you can open review and approval fields in Jira and specify that the change will occur after approval in the workflow for approved changes. Track the status of requests for changes. After the change approved, it should be shared so that all stakeholders can see it. Since the configuration units that we will change as a result of the impact analysis are determined, the changes to these are taken under the baseline after reviewing them with the stakeholders. We follow the changes status by the tool or monthly progress or status report. Lastly, we will talk traceability. Traceability can determine with the tool, for example, Jira. Look at this. You choose relates then choose related issues. If you use plugin like the Visual Links, you can see change requests and work product traceability. Comment for your questions. See you in another process. Bye bye.